Guardforce AI strengthened its decade-long client relationships by securing a long-term contract with Government Savings Bank, GSB, one of Thailand's largest state-owned banks. The 3-year renewal, effective from June 1, 2025 through May 31, 2028, marks the fourth consecutive renewal between GFAI and GSB under the renewed agreement. Guardforce AI's subsidiary, Guardforce Cash Solution Security, Thailand Company Limited, will continue to provide secure and efficient cash-in-transit and maintenance services for GSB's ATM network across Thailand's upcountry regions. This contract covers the majority of the ATM services currently handled by the company and further consolidates Guardforce AI's upcountry strategy in the secured logistics segment. The renewal provides Guardforce AI with stable and predictable revenue streams over the next 3 years, giving the company a solid financial foundation to invest in innovation and expand its AI-driven solutions. According to Olivia Wang, chairwoman and chief executive officer of Guardforce AI, this decade-long relationship provides a solid foundation for future growth and advancing innovation in future AI-driven solutions. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.